The Tiki Punch is a vibrant and tropical cocktail that brings the essence of a tropical paradise into a glass. Perfect for summer parties or any occasion that needs a dash of island flair. You will need the following ingredients: 1 ounce light rum, 1 ounce dark rum, 1 ounce pineapple juice, 1 ounce orange juice, half an ounce lime juice, freshly squeezed half an ounce grenadine, 1/4 of an ounce overproof rum, for a boozy kick dash angostura bitters, pineapple wedge, maraschino cherry, mint to garnish. For equipment you will need shaker, hawthorn strainer, tiki glass, jigger, ice, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Fill the shaker with ice. Pour the light rum, dark rum, pineapple juice, orange juice, lime juice, and grenadine into the shaker. Add a dash of angostura bitters. Shake well until the mixture is chilled. Fill the tiki glass with ice. Strain the mixture from the shaker into the glass. Carefully float the overproof rum on top by slowly pouring it over the back of a bar spoon. Garnish with a pineapple wedge, maraschino cherry, and a sprig of mint, and serve with a straw. Tiki culture was popularized in America in the mid-20th century by restaurants and bars like Don the Beachcomber and Trader Vic's, who created these exotic Polynesian-themed drinks that continue to spark imaginations and taste buds today.